Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find a proper section and proper number, which is, I believe, will be in the My Phone, which is at the top of the list. So let's tap on it and then scroll down to localize the build number. We have to enter version info, and the build number is right here. So all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to the system options. Now scroll down again, and as you can see at the bottom we've got the developer options. So let's simply tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show notification channel warnings, we can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth, overall with the networking, because we've got Bluetooth, tethering, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it. So let me choose this one, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it. However, if you want to turn them off completely, your device will need it. You will need to restart your device to remove it from the list. So I don't want to do it. However, if you want to, just tap on restart. After that, the developer options will completely disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries. If you want to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.